Listen, baby, something now. Got no money for you. Today, I'm out of work this year. I'm sure everybody will understand. Yeah. And if they don't, there's nothing I can do. What am I gonna do? Can't do nothing. I went down to the bank to get some credit, yeah. I went down, but it was closed for Christmas time. It was closed, you know. A sign on the window, it said, open Boxing Day. Won't be no presents today. No presents today. I guess that's why you came. Was it a humorous thought by the manager? Don't know. It was snowing, it was cold. Everybody seemed to be having fun, except me. My wife's at home. She making mince pies. Oh, she got what I said when I came back. She said, did you get the money? Or did you? What happened? What is love? She wanted to impress her friend. I said, what you mean? I said, the bank was closed. Closed. She said, what you mean closed? Your mother's coming tomorrow. My dad is dead. I said, I know. And an argument quickly developed. I said, baby, now, ain't nothing I can do. Why don't you walk on down to the bank? Is it so much for Santa? And take a look at the note. It ain't open now. Closed early for Christmas. Closed early for Christmas. Nothing nobody can do. And she stupidly said, there's no number to ring. Can't be the only one in this small place. In trouble with money, yes. I said nothing else at all. She said, sit right down. I turned the cooker off. It won't last long, she said. There's only so much gas. Only so much gas. I said, I know. You're taking me for stupid. And nothing I can do. No, no, no. Nothing I can do. Must getting mean. I wanna sit right down. I wanna sit right down. Watch TV. Not listening to this crap. Take me for a fool. And why'd you doing that all the time? What you do? It's just a message written in with a pen. There's nothing we can do. Nothing at all. You gotta take it. You just gotta get what you got and make the best of it. So she stormed right up. Stormed right up. As she went to bed, I'm shouting up the stairs. What about this cake? Should I leave the open up? No answer at all. I said, baby, now can't you get it through your head? It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. Might be no money in the bank anyway. I really didn't just no trouble. What you say about that now, Santa? What you say about that? What you say about that, Santa? What you say about that, Santa?